Okay, so I'm going to start the boat captain software. I've got the AMOS remote connected to my computer's USB port, and I've waited 1 minute for the green light to start, green LED to start flashing. So it's ready to connect. And click Preferences, Connection, and COM5 is the COM port for this AMOS remote. Click OK. Connected to AMOS. That's good. And we can see the parameters down there in the bottom right, the boat temperature and heading and the battery voltage. And we can see where the boat is here in New Brunswick. So click File, Remote AMOS Program Info. We're going to actually want to stop the program running on AMOS so that we can run the depth test program. So stop, you sure? Yes. And it's been stopped. Okay. So we can close this down. And then now we're going to want to connect to the AMOS access point on the boat in order to use a PuTTY connection. Okay. I'll start PuTTY. I've got it set up here, 192.168.5.1. Click Open. Login is Pi. Password is AMOS_robot. All lowercase. Enter. And we're in. Okay, so we'll go to the computer programs folder, and then the depth test folder, and we'll run the depth test program. Listening for depth data, and there it is. You'll notice the depth isn't really accurate for our bucket. You get a lot of reflections from the sides of the bucket, so that kind of fools the fish finder, I think. But once you're in a real environment, like a lake or stream or whatever, the depth readings should be pretty accurate, like to within 0.1 meters or so. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it.